Hey everyone, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. Today's tutorial, I'm not doing anything furniture related. I'm doing kind of, I guess you call it like a beauty segment. Here's the issue that I'm having with my hair that I've had for probably like the last 4 years. I rent an extremely old house that was built in the late 1700s, which means I have well water, which means I have 3 different colors going on in my hair. So I have my natural hair color, which is like a dirty blonde, darker dirty blonde. And then I have highlights that I get put in probably like every 3 months or so. And then I have a color I like to call well water. It's nice and rusty, it's orange, it's really on the back underside of my hair. And I can't get rid of it. I bought the Malibu shampoo. That seems to help just a little bit, but I'm just not getting it completely out of my hair. So if I flip like my hair over, you can see it. I mean, it is so red at this point. It's so embarrassing. So yeah, those are my 3 colors in my hair. So I saw a YouTube tutorial last night and I thought, what the heck, I'm gonna try this. Some girl put straight lemon juice in her hair for about 15 minutes to a half hour, wrapped her hair up in like a shower cap, put a towel around it to keep the heat inside, like the body heat. And then she rinsed and her hair looked pretty damn amazing. It looked like bright blonde again. So I'm gonna try it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't, whatever. So I've already in my kitchen freshly squeezed a half a cup of pure lemon juice and I'm ready to spray it on my hair. I'm gonna go damp my hair. And I'm not gonna use my well water. I'm just gonna use some bottled water that I have. Spray it on, wrap my hair up, give this a shot. I'll do a before and after shot and see if this works. I'm hoping it works. I'm tired of being a redhead. I mean, redheads are fun. I don't mind it. I've thought about going red, but not this way. So let's go try it. Okay guys, I'm in my kitchen. I'm about ready to spray my hair with the lemon juice. So I've got my bottled water. I'm gonna get my hair damp. And here's my lemon juice. This is the only spray bottle I can find around my house. So of course, it's in a Lowe's spray bottle because I refinished furniture and I don't have anything else. So this will work. So there's my half a cup of pure lemon juice. Here I was noticing, oh my gosh, so you can see here, the iron's really not affecting the top layer of my hair around the crown of my face. It is definitely affecting the underside, which makes sense since my head is back when I shower and I shampoo, so that is getting the brunt of the iron. So let's get this a whirl. I'm gonna do it on a time lapse, me getting my hair wet and me spritzing it, and I'm hoping this works. So let's try. Okay guys, I've had it on my hair for, I don't know, 20-25 minutes. So now I'm going to shampoo my hair, condition it really well. I've been told that lemon juice can really dry out your hair, so make sure you do that. And I will be back once I dry my hair and we'll see if this worked or not. I hope it did. Okay you guys, I shampooed and conditioned my hair, got all of the lemon juice out, and I dried my hair, and you're gonna see from the after picture here, this didn't work for me. I feel like my hair is still as red, has that rusty tone to it. The only thing I can feel like, you know, after you get a hair trim and you feel like your hair is lighter, that's what it feels like for me. So maybe it got some of the, I don't know, just build up residue off my hair, but I can still see like the top part of my hair still looks really, you know, bright blonde, and that's fine. I was just hoping these undertones under here would get less orangey, less brassy. So I need your guys' help. So shoot me in the comment section if you know something that can help get my iron water, brassy hair clean. I do have the Malibu treatments, those little packages. What I don't have, what I think could help, I know when I grew up in Minnesota, I used to get the Malibu treatments because back there we also had well water, and they would put me under a heated dryer for about, I'm trying to remember, it was like for like a half hour, 40 minutes. And that seemed to work like a miracle. So maybe that's what I need to do. Maybe this isn't enough with my hair because I have so much buildup. Maybe I need to sit under like a heated dryer. I'm not sure. I just don't want to damage my hair. My biggest fear is I'm going to do something, a home remedy, and like my hair is going to break off or fall off. So if you guys know a way to help me get this rust out of my hair, it's terrible. Anyways, I tried it. I gave it a shot. The only thing I can think that, I mean, I don't think it did anything bad to my hair. My hair does feel extremely clean and soft. I can definitely feel a difference in that regard. It feels like it just got my hair super, super clean. So help a girl out. Drop me a note in the comment section to help me figure out my dilemma of my well-water hair. I tried. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks!